שיר. קודם. שיר סאונד. אוקיי.
Right.
Der alte Zigeuner, the old gypsy.
אל ציגיינר.
The old
Okay.
gypsy.
Okay, I'm starting, people. Okay?
Ja, nog halb tun.
Halb tun.
You don't want to turn it too much my way. That'll embarrass you in front of your friends.
Dort auf a Bergale hinter dem freien Himmel, weit von dem raschigen Stutzgethimmel, steht so a Chatkale allein auf dem Mord. An alter Zigeuner wohnt dort. Dort hören sich keine sehr süße, was weinen in meiner. Wenn auf sein Fiedel vergeht sich der alter Zigeuner. Sein ganzen Feier in Brenn, wo's nur a Zigeuner kenn. Aha. Zigeuner Melodie ist also schön, Herr, sie vergisst der Sinn. Schon es verlangt, dein Blitz, es kocht und es sieht, sein Fiedel und Weiden er zieht. Nimmt in die Himmeln schweben, es glitzert nur zum Leben, das Leben wird dann also süß. Nimmt in die Himmeln schweben, es glitzert nur zum Leben, das Leben wird dann also süß. Spiel so oft den Fiedel, sie keine Lieder aus, Leben so sein Geleck, oi Mama, spiel so oft ein Fiedel, hat sie keine Lieder aus, Leben so sein Geleck. Zigeuner spielt ein Fiedel, Zigeuner spielt ein Fiedel. Spiel so oft ein Fiedel, spiel so oft ein Fiedel, hat sie keine Lieder aus, Leben so sein Geleck. Oi, meine Beine, spiel so oft ein Fiedel, hat sie keine Lieder aus, Leben so sein Geleck. Spiel so oft ein Fiedel, hat sie keine Lieder aus,
Julia, not there.
Daniel, can you read please the English?
Sure. In the past, we have listened to Onaheim, Without a Home, a song by Ben-Zion Whitlow that first appeared in Yiddish at a Yiddish show in 1920. Then in another called Yanko Seguino, Yanko the Gypsy. The gypsies of modern Europe were mostly Roma. We saw that among European Jews of the 20th century, there were many who sympathized with them as fellow outcasts and victims of persecution. In addition, there was a contact between Yiddish klezmarim and traveling Roma musicians. Yiddish literature abounds with praise for their music, especially for their virtuosity on the violin.
Go on, please.
That's all I see.
No, go on,
Oh, there
please.
we go. Their long history in Europe is a saga of oppression and exile. The Nazis were determined to exterminate them. They chased them from their homes, herded them into the Jewish ghettos and concentration camps, and in Auschwitz, Belzec, Kelmo, Treblinka, they succeeded in murdering an estimated 300,000 Roma.
Gypsies.
Go on.
Could you
The
go back
Daniel,
to
go on.
the picture?
The
Um,
Altus.
Go ahead.
The Alta Seguino was written for the Yiddish stage by the team of Jakob Jacobs and Abraham Elstein, possibly for their 1938 operetta Publiczka,
Publiczki.
yeah,
Mhm.
Plago, yes. Which starred Molly Pickin and Aaron
Pecan.
Lebedeff. One newspaper review referred to an old fiddler as a high point of the evening's entertainment. The Alta Seguino is sung here by Judy Bressler and the Klezmer Conservatory Band.
Good. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, Daniel. I see that people raise their hand before we start to read the story. So Stella, yes.
I'm watching a show on Netflix. It's called, what is it called? It's about a gypsy girl, and they have a lot of music in the show. They play all kinds of instruments and sing really well.
What's the name?
If
Can
you
you
will
send us the
remember,
name?
I think it's called Infamy or something like that.
Okay,
okay,
Infamy.
okay.
thank
It's
you.
they recorded in Poland. It's in Polish. It's played by a Polish actress who plays the gypsy girl.
We got a gypsy girl on Netflix.
Okay, thank you. Ronald, yes.
Yeah, I wanted to ask about
The
some of
2017
the
Netflix
pictures that you
series
passed
Gypsy,
by.
a psychological
They
thriller
had-
starring
Just a
James
moment,
Bond.
just a moment.
However,
Leah,
people-
mute yourself, Leah. Mute
If you
yourself.
are talking on
I
the
got it, I
phone,
got it, I got
listening,
it.
you got it.
Yeah.
Please mute yourself. Okay, Ronald.
Right, I had a question about that picture that had the musicians in it. I couldn't recognize one of the instruments that they were playing. If you could go back to it, maybe somebody can identify that.
Towards the end, we can do it towards the end. The picture is random. You know, Michael Moore, who is preparing the PowerPoint, also is choosing the pictures. But since I don't think that he knows this specific klezmer, the pictures are chosen randomly. Okay? But when we get to the end, you will tell us about it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, Bob, can you start reading?
Sure. Dort auf der Berge unter dem freien Himmel, weit von der raschenden Stadt getummelt, steht sich Chatkeler allein auf ein Ort, ein alter Zigeuner wohnt dort.
Good.
So they're on a little mountain, I guess, or a hill under the open sky, away from far from the noise and of the city tumult, stands a hut by itself on the ground. An old gypsy lives there.
Good. Very
Okay.
good.
Thank you. Okay.
Good.
So, yes, Bob, yeah, you wanted to say something, Bob?
No, I was going to continue, but no, go. Someone else read.
Please, yeah, continue. Perfect.
Oh.
Go on.
Dort hört sich Tenor sehr süße, was wenem in minor, in minor. Wenn auf sein Fiddle vergeht sich der alte Zigeuner mit sein ganzer Feier und Brenn nur wie a Zigeuner can. So there we hear such sweet sounds, sweet tones, very sweet tones, but also sad or crying in minor, I guess a minor key.
Minor key, right.
Yeah. When on the fiddle, when he plays on the fiddle, the old gypsy with complete fire and passion, as only a gypsy can.
Good. Very good.
Thank you. Any question until now? Okay, Leah. Leah, go on. Leah?
She has to unmute. I had to mute her before.
Ah,
Let's see. I'm asking her to unmute.
Leah, unmute yourself, Leah.
I just did. Can you hear me?
Okay, now you're okay. Go.
What do you want me to do? Read the same thing again?
Read, please.
No.
Read.
A Zigeuner melody is a zone chain. Hertires vergesst, let me see, vergesst. Ihr es nicht, nein, weil sie ist warm. Herzig voll mit Chen, amodne krabt, I don't know what that is, krabt. Sie geht, euch liebe und euch Leidenschaft. Hört ihr es nur einmal, geht es kein Rohr. Oh Gott.
Verkishev.
Verkishev. Ach, die melody. Pretty bad.
Can you translate it or Maurice will do it for you?
Let me see. Gypsy melody is very nice.
Good.
Hört ich es? I don't know what that is. What is hört ich es?
If
What
you
is-
hear
When
it,
you hear it,
Hört ich es? Okay. Vergesst ich es nicht. You don't forget it?
good.
yes.
Nein, weil sie is not while it's warm.
No. Vergesst es it nicht.
You don't forget it.
Not. Nein.
Nein, weil
It's an emphasis. No, you don't forget it.
Right.
while it's warm. Is that what it is?
Because here,
Mhm.
weil means because. It's a warm melody.
Oh, I see. Herzig. What is herzig? From the heart?
From the heart.
Yes, from the heart.
Full mit chen, with a lot of chen, charm, I guess.
Yeah.
Modne kropt. I don't know what kropt is. A
Power.
strange, a
Strange
strange
power.
Modne is strange, right?
Yeah.
A strange power. The Gitach Liebe, it gives the
Love.
Liebe, it
Love.
gives you love und euch and also Leidenschaft. What is that? Belonging?
Pain.
Is that what it is? Belonging?
Leidenschaft is pain.
Oh, pain.
Suffering. Yes, it's
Ah,
full
suffering. Okay.
Right.
You hear it only once? Gittes kein Ro. What is Ro? I don't know what Ro is.
It doesn't give you peace. It doesn't leave you alone.
Ro is peace.
Ru, it's Ru.
Ru is peace.
Ru
Yes.
doesn't leave you alone.
Achishoft.
Kishift.
Is that something to do with
No.
it has something to do with kishuf? I don't
Yes.
know.
Yes.
Kishuf.
Yes.
Okay. So
Right.
what would you say it in English?
It charms you. It
Bewitches you.
Bewitches you.
Enchant.
That's it.
Good,
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
good.
Hunt.
The
Bewitches
melody witches you. Okay,
Right.
I got it.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, okay.
Please, Maurice, can you do the translation again so we
Yeah.
will have it?
So we get it right.
Keine Melodie, also schön. The gypsy melody is so beautiful. Hört ihr es, vergesst ihr es nicht. So this is one of those constructions that we've been seeing. It's the word order is inverted. If you hear it, you don't forget it. Hört ihr es, vergesst ihr es nicht. Nein, weil sie ist warm, because it's warm, heartsick, it's heartfelt, full mit Chain, full of charm, a modne Kraft, a strange power. Sie gibt euch Liebe und euch Leidenschaft. It can give you love and also sorrow. And here again we have this kind of inverted, hört ihr es nur einmal. If you hear it only one time, gibt es kein Ruhe. It gives you no peace. It doesn't leave you alone. Kishift euch die Melodie. The melody bewitches you.
Bewitching.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
That makes a lot of
Okay.
sense.
Okay. Ezra, can you read, please?
When you heard this, when you hear the melody, dacht zich euch, ze is Prost. Naive?
Naive.
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 Hmm?
Naive. Oh my goodness.
You think it's simple,
Right.
uncomplicated.
Right.
Hier hat dan gar nicht kein Begriff, and you don't have any regrets.
Begriff is conception. You don't realize.
You don't realize. Wie es rührt on the neshama tief, how deeply it reaches into your soul.
Good.
What is tiff? What is tiff?
Thief
Deep.
is
Deep.
deep.
Tief is deep.
Thief. Right.
Amok. Amok.
Avanti.
When jeder Zeit, sie füllt euch on, it fills you up from every side, surrounds you mit Lust und Freilichkeit, with a lusty joyfulness.
Good.
Anhalten wilt ihr ewig, ot adi, die Klangen von die Melodie.
Good.
You remember forever the sounds of the melody,
Sehr good.
chords of the melody.
Sehr good.
Okay, go on, Ezra.
Wenn der Ziganer spielt sich sein Liedl, when the gypsy plays his little song in Hearts Kita Brie, your heart is on fire.
Good. 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 Good.
What is brie?
Yes,
Brie is
Fire.
burning.
like
Oh,
a
burning.
brand
Burns on fire.
von sein Fiddle,
That's
der
gone next to you.
Klang, von sein Fiddle, der Klang, der weckt dein Neshamas Verlang. The chords of the violin awaken your
Oh.
soul's longing. Dein Blut es kocht und es sieht. Your blood boils. Sein Fiddle dem Beugen erzieht when his bow goes across the strings of the fiddle.
Good. Sehr good.
Bravo.
Thank you, Ezra. Thank you. Arlene, please. Arlene. Happy.
Neem dich die Hemmelen schreven
Schweden.
es gleust sich nach zum Leben. Das Leben wird dann ander
Azoi.
azoi bald.
Good.
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 Azoi, good.
Azoi gut. Das ist dem alten Zigarrenlied.
Good.
The old gypsy song.
Okay, Arlene, can you translate?
Take the heaven. What is schweben?
Schweben is to soar. It takes you soaring to the heavens.
Okay. It taking the heaven soaring heaven is gleist. It's
Not exactly, Arlene. No, not exactly.
oh.
Close, but no cigar. So, Maurice, can you do it?
Soar. Nehmt in die Himmeln schweben. You start to soar up to heaven, to the heavens. Es glust sich nur zum Leben. You only want to live. Das Leben wird dann also geht. Life then becomes so good. Das ist dem alten Zigeunerslied. That's the old gypsy song. Zigeuner.
Arlene, can you finish?
Sure.
Can you finish the last one, the last sentence? Zigeuner?
Zigeuner spiel sich
Spielje.
auf der auf dein Fiddle als Zigeunerlieder.
So,
The
can you
old
translate
gypsy.
it for us?
Gypsy, play yourself on your fiddle a Zigeuner song.
Good.
Yeah.
The gypsy song.
The J is a for emphasis. Spielje. Do play. Do play. Go ahead and play.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
you. So, okay, so I see Stella, you raised your hand, Stella.
Yeah, I thought Schweben were matches.
No,
Matches?
that's Schwebelech.
Yeah, Schwebelen.
Schwebele.
Schwebelen.
And
This-
also, it makes this song makes you want to hear the melody, like you want to hear this melody that they're singing about.
That's the idea. Okay.
Oh. Okay, now Ronald, you wanted to talk about the picture.
Yeah, but it was the picture of the band, the ensemble, not this one.
It
Maybe-
looks like Bernstein.
Maybe it's
Yeah.
Not this one. Okay, let me go back.
I need a haircut like that.
This one.
No, the first page, the
first
very
thing-
first one.
That's the first
Ah,
page.
this
Okay.
group.
I got a violin. I see a timbal. I see another instrument to the right. That's sort of a string instrument,
A balalaika.
a balalaika, and then
Yeah.
the fourth one. It looks like he's blowing something there. Oh, that's a hookah.
Okay.
Looks like a cello.
Okay.
It looks like a cello,
He-
the one at the end.
He's not playing. He's taking some weed.
Right.
It looks like a hookah. It really does.
He's smoking weed.
It is.
It could be.
Anyway, any comments before I stop the share?
I
Yes,
think it's Nargila. Nargila.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's hookah. Nargila is
The
hookah.
hookah.
At the end, they said something about Abe Elstein. Well, he was a very famous, one of the first klezmer bands was Abe Elstein.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
I know
he used to
he's
have a radio show on WEVD.
That's
Yeah.
the station that speaks your language.
That's
Yes,
right.
right.
Do they still have WEVD?
No.
I
I
don't
used to
know.
listen to it when
But
I
if
lived
it
in New
is,
York every
it's
afternoon.
your language.
I
Does
loved
any-
it.
Does everyone know what it stands for?
Yep.
Eugene V.
Debs,
Debs,
the
great
communist.
socialist leader.
Right. He ran for
Eugene V.
president, I
Debs.
believe.
Wait,
I
what
believe
is
he ran
Eugene
for
V.
president.
Debs.
All right, Venus.
Okay, people, if you want to talk, raise your hand, please. Otherwise, it's a kakamimia. Raise your hand. Yes, Stella.
That speaks your
I
language.
looked
So I
up
used
the
to listen
band,
to
the
it every
Klezmer
afternoon. They had
Conservatory
a
Band,
Hebrew
and they have
program.
very similar instruments
Right.
to the picture.
Who is
They have
it?
a balalaika, they have a saxophone, a trumpet, a
That's a different band.
keyboard.
Are they smoking?
No, they're not. They look very clean cut, like
No,
people who don't smoke.
But maybe you're looking at a picture from the Klezmer Conservatory Band. This recording is by Judy Bressler singing the lead with the Klezmer Conservatory Band. Maybe that's a picture of that.
No, I did. I looked it up to see what they look like.
I don't know.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, yes, Mariv.
No, I
Okay. So I wanted to welcome. We have someone new today, Margot. Welcome.
Zaid
Where are
Bagri.
you? Where are you from, Margot?
Oh, hey, I've been on a few times, but I haven't been for a while. I'm sorry. I'm also babysitting my nieces and nephews today too, but I managed to turn on the phone. I'm always in Sfat, Israel. On the
In Sfat.
Oh.
Okay.
And
Oh.
believe it or not, tonight the Klezmer Fest of Sfat begins, and it's a 3-day festival of pure klezmer on all these stages all over the city. So I would like to tell you, if you ever want to visit Israel, come in August, because in August in Sfat every year there's the klezmer festival. You would love it.
And the weather is so cool.
Yeah.
So
Matches the music.
depends.
Thank you.
Just like Houston.
Just like Houston.
Just like
Pink.
Houston, exactly.
Detroit.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
people. So
Phyllis.
are we moving to the story?
Yeah.
Or you have any more comments about the song? Okay. Story it is. Now, where is it? Here.
While you're looking, yeah, I have a comment about Zigeuner. There's a lot of klezmer music that has that word or begins with titles with that song in, with that word in it. You know, so there's a lot of Zigeuner music and klezmer music.
Yes.
In the old days, the gypsies would play for all the Jewish weddings in the shtetls. They were very closely aligned and they learned from each other the music. The gypsies knew all the Yiddish songs, and the Jews started picking up the gypsy style of playing.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know if you remember from Barbara, yes.
Well, just very quickly, Yale Strum plays Zigeuner music, and he has studied with the Romani in the Carpathian Mountains.
Mhm.
So you might care to look at some of his recordings,
Sure.
and just go online and you'll Yale Strum. So he's a young man. I recommend that you look him up. Get more
I
information.
can second that, man. I've looked at some of his books and some of his songs too, and read about
Oh,
him.
great.
So I'm
Okay,
familiar
thank
with
you.
Yale Strum.
Good.
Okay. Okay, anyway, the story.
What
So,
page?
we are 158. 158, it's the second paragraph.
Yeah.
Anyway, so Dimame comes to Rick. So the son is bringing home his bride to be, and we have here the interaction between his mother and the young bride to be, and everyone is walking on eggs and trying to impress the other one. And now we are coming to the place where the mother goes and brings the food to the table. Susan, did you find it? Die Mame kommt zurück von der
Yes,
Kirche?
yes, found
Okay,
it.
can you please read it?
Want me to read?
Yes, please. Yes.
Die Mama kommt zurück von der Kirche, aber lodene, mit Teller Fisch und hust up. The mother comes back from the kitchen, loaded up with plates of fish, und hust up, and she coughs. Men soll der Herren in Zimmerl, so that they will hear her in the room, hear in the room that as sie kommt they will hear in the room that she's coming in. Wenn sie öffnet die Tür, when she opens the door, beweisen kaum die Kinder abzureißen, eine von die andere die Lippen. And the children, who are these children why is it?
That's her son and his girlfriend. So
So
she's
the children
coughing.
show themselves to
No, not show, provide that show herself to the children, yes.
Abzureißen, to pull one from the other. They look like they're trying to pull one another's lips. Is that correct?
Okay, Susan. So the children, she went out to the kitchen to bring the fish. In the meanwhile, the children are kissing.
Oh.
The children are kissing. And so when she comes into the room, she coughs so that they will hear her. And then, and then they are, separating their lips from one another.
Yeah. Yeah.
Das Zimmer ist voll mit der warme Gemütlichkeit. The room is full with a warm greeting or
no, coziness, cozy. Gemütlichkeit is coziness.
Cozy,
It's a German word.
Und euch die Mama wird ruhiger, and also the mother quiets down. Sie seht ein, als ihr Schreck vor ein Gast is an sister. She sees that her fear for the guest is not without, there is no reason for it.
Yes.
Afraid to gießt sich über ihre ausgemattete Averin. Happiness pours out over her tired bones. Nor sie macht a gleichgültige Miene, though she puts on a neutral expression, langt die fish, and hands out and offers the fish. Sehr Geschmack, sehr gut gekocht. Very delicious, very well cooked. Esst frumme Liebche mit Appetit. And frumme Liebche eats it with great appetite. A scheinem Dank. Ich bin nicht a so großer Köchin. Thank you. I'm not such a good cook. Dazu noch habe ich nicht kein Zeit abzuheaten wie gehörig. And also I have not had the time to heat it up the way I should.
Properly.
Yeah.
Wie macht man bei euch gefilte Fisch? How do you make gefilte fish? So wie bei uns oder anders, the way we do it or differently? More?
Yeah, another paragraph.
Bei uns macht man gefilte Fisch wie in Vilna. By us, we make gefilte fish like they do in Vilna. Nor by the Polish Jiden bleibt man rein in gehackte Fisch Zucker. But among the Polish Jews, they put in
they put in they put sugar in the chopped fish. Werd frumeliebje purpurrood. Frumeliebje turns bright red, wie die mama wollt oisen gewein sie zu verheeren. And she turns bright red as though the mother would be able to hear her. Is that correct?
I think so. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Susan. Thank you. So, do you know the gefilte fish map, where you put sugar and where you put pepper and salt? So I cannot share both of it, but I will send it to you later on. There is actually, people prepared a map of in which counties, which lands they eat gefilte fish with sugar and where they eat gefilte fish with pepper and salt. So here they say that the Polish, they put sugar in the gehackte fish. So I see people raise their hands. So Beverly, yes. You're muted, Beverly? Or I cannot hear you. Yeah, you're muted. Unmute. You're muted, Beverly. Okay, we will go to Stella and then I'll come back to you, Beverly.
Mena, can I ask the question?
Just a moment. There were people who raised their hands before, so just a moment. Stella.
Stella took her hand down.
No, it's
Oh,
kirch or
okay.
kech. It's kirch or kech.
Either way.
Like, I thought kitchen was a kech, not a kich.
No,
It's a kirch.
It's
Oh,
a
it is a
kich,
kich?
but it depends where, because
It depends where you
mother
came
also-
from.
Yeah,
Okay,
depends
thank
where
you.
you come, where your parents, where you come from. You can say a kech and you can say a kich. My parents say a kech, so it's Beverly, yes.
I could not unmute myself. And then I got out and everything. But anyway, so ask a young person today how you make a filter fish. You know, there's a whole little 7-minute video about how you make a filter fish.
You open a jar.
You open a jar. It's hysterical. So it shows you how they knew how to make it.
But the gehackte fish, well, I know how my mother used to do it.
Sure.
And you used
Gehackte
to do
fish?
it, gehackte fish.
With
you
the
have to-
hackte mess, we use the hackte messer.
Yes.
Messer.
A hackte messer.
A hackmesser, yes.
A hack
Right,
Yeah, yes.
right.
And a wooden bowl. A wooden bowl.
That's right.
Right.
That's when you get the
Yeah,
fish.
you
That's
have
when you get
something.
the fish. You get the fish out of the tub.
Yep.
I remember that.
Yes,
My
that's
grandfather
right.
always had a fish in the tub. But I have
the
a
tub.
question. Purpurroid, it's not red paprika?
No.
No.
What
It's
is purple?
crimson red. Susan said,
Oh,
okay, it's very
okay.
bright
Now I
red.
get it.
It's
Okay,
crimson,
thank
it's
you.
not paprika. No.
Okay.
It's crimson red.
Yeah.
Do they put paprika in
Okay.
gefilte fish?
Yes. Some
I
people do, I bet.
don't know. Maybe Hungarian. I don't know.
Hungarians, probably.
I don't know.
In India, they do
Maybe.
it.
Yeah. Okay, so we are here. Zucker. Yes, we are here. Beverly, can you read?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, we
Zucker
can.
wundert sich. Zucker
Mother
wundert sich
wonders.
die Mama. Sugar wonders, the mother is wondering. Sie weiß, als auf Jontef kocht man Fisch in Zees und in Säure. Oh, she knows that for Jontef you cook the fish for sweet and sour, like cabbage. Man legt rein Rozinkes.
Rozinkes.
We put in raisins. We citron oder Essig. Citron, what's Essig?
Vinegar.
Essig is vinegar.
Oh.
Citron is lemon.
Lemon or vinegar. Es soll sein Zoyer, it should be sour. A poor Laberblätter. What is Larber? Oui.
Bay leaves.
Oh
Bay
my
leaf.
God. Bay leaves? My mother never heard of
Yes,
bay
yes.
leaves. They had bay leaves?
No, my mother put bay leaf.
We never
yes.
had bay leaves. Und was ist Gewürz?
Gewürz is
Spices.
Tablinim.
Spices.
Spices.
Dazu a Stickel Kuchen, so that you should cook it or
A
something?
little bit.
In addition,
Oh, in addition, as a little cook it. as
No. So
No.
Kuchen usually is cake.
Translation is a piece of cake for browning.
Yes, for brown, because Kuchen is cake.
Wow. As
That's I don't know.
bright.
Yeah.
It should become brown. I never heard of that, but that's all right.
Maybe it's a honey cake.
No, it's
Maybe.
gefilte fish.
No, but you're talking about a cake.
No, that's just the way they
Yeah,
do.
but she says that they add the cake to the gefilte fish. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
For the sweetness, probably also.
Yeah.
I think
Maybe
maybe
for
they
the
put,
sweet and
I think
sour,
they
yeah.
put maybe a honey cake for the color.
No, this is
We
not
don't-
about cake. Es soll werden braun, so it gets brown. Maybe they
Right.
crumbled it.
yes.
Aber as man soll reinlegen Zucker
Zucker.
is gehackte fish. Oh my God. But if they're going to put in sugar, then you call it gehackte fish.
Chopped fish.
Chopped, yeah, I don't know how to translate words.
Fish.
Kommt ihr euch sehr modern? So it sounds very weird, right?
Strange.
That's very
Strange.
strange. Was noch legen rein die polnische Jeden in die gehackte fish? What else do they put, those Polish Jews put into their chopped fish? Oh my God.
Okay, so they put also breadcrumbs.
Okay, so that's oh yeah, in the fish, yeah. Otherwise it won't stay
Yeah,
together.
breadcrumbs, yeah.
But otherwise it wouldn't stay together when you
Put it all
cook.
together.
I thought they put in matzo meal.
That's what my mother puts, matzo meal.
Matzo meal.
But
That's
it's
what
the
they
same
do.
thing.
Mine use breadcrumbs, not matzo
Yeah, it
meal.
doesn't-
Never heard of that.
Just a moment, Beverly, before
Sure.
you continue.
Sure.
Yes, Mariv.
So I think the reason she's freaking out is she's saying, "Oh my God, she's going to change my whole kitchen around. I'll have to eat her weird food."
Right. Die andere
Beverly.
Sachen seien Punkt wie bei die Litvischen. The other things are just like the people from Lithuania. Entfert frumme Liebsche und ihr Punem wird noch mehr bagassen mit Farb. Answers from a Liebsche und, oh, sorry, my phone is ringing. So let me get rid of it. Oh, sorry.
Say about the people
Oh,
from
now I lost
Lithuania.
my place. I'm
What did you
telling you
say
what a
about
day.
She's blushing.
I lost my place. Oh,
Und
okay.
ihr Punem wird noch mehr begossen mit Farbe.
I know what Farb is. What's Farb?
She's blushing. She's blushing.
Blush.
She's blushing.
Oh, and her
Well,
face becomes blushed. Men schluckt rein an egg. She's giving her the recipe.
Yes, exactly.
You throw in an egg, you bang an egg, Pfeffer, pepper, und men brockt rein.
Just a moment.
Yeah, all right. Oh,
Also, man brockt rein
a Zwiebel. And then, of course, you put in an onion. What is brockt?
Chop up in the head. Chop
Chopped.
in the head.
Oh, chopped. Was mehr men hakt the fish, the more you bang, the more you chop the fish, und was länger men lass sie kochen, and if you let them cook longer, als besser is it. It's better. It gets better and better as they cook. Bei uns legt men rein saffron. Oh, by us. Who's speaking now? The bride?
I think
Yeah.
that's now, no, Gitzu
It's-
di Mame. Gitzu
Yeah,
di
the
Mame. So
mame.
that's the mother.
By us, we put in saffron. Die Fisch sollen äußerl gel. The fish will look yellow. Geht zu Mama und quält schon von naches Zeitens. The mother is quelling von naches. And what is Zeitens?
In advance.
In advance?
Yes.
They're not married yet.
I know.
Yeah.
So she's belling from this bride. A balabusta. An emissary balabusta. A true good cook. Or what, I don't know how
Balabuste. We all
Yeah.
know what balabuste is.
How homemaker.
Yes, I don't know how you
Homemaker. Yes.
Auf die Wilner Gassen hab ich gesehen Weiber trugen in heiße eingedeckte on the Vilna street. I saw women carrying hot eingedeckt covered utensils or
Pots.
zerriebene Arbes und verkaufen es in Papierene. Oh, Papierene. I saw on the Wilna Street, he saw these, they were selling Arbes, which is chickpeas.
Yeah, but zerriebene. So they are
mashed.
Mashed.
Yeah, mashed.
That's
Like hummus,
hummus.
actually.
That is hummus.
It's like hummus. And they sold it. They sold it. Papirene. Paper. Oh, in paper sacks.
I think it's more like falafel.
Yeah, it probably is. Oh no. Maybe it's hummus. We don't know.
No, I don't think they knew what falafel is.
Right. Did they know what hummus is?
Also not.
We always had harvest, but my mother never chopped it. Lacht from Lipscher. She's laughing.
Okay, thank you. Thank
Very
you,
good.
Beverly.
I don't know.
Okay, here. Josefa, yeah. Morty raised his hand. Morty.
Yes, I can tell you something about the gefilte fish. David Katz, many of you must know who he is. He in one of his studies he drew a map of Europe with a line dividing the type of sweet gefilte fish that is eaten in Lithuania, Poland, and so on, and the savory one that is eaten down in Ukraine and Galicia.
You just joined us, Morty, yes?
Yes, I just joined you.
Because I was telling them the same thing.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna send us a map.
But what I wanted to tell you is that when we moved to Canada, we discovered sweet gefilte fish, and my wife fell in love with it. So last year, which was the first year that we were in Peru, with some friends, that we went back to the savory, and my wife didn't like it. And so she decided that this next year, we're going to spend Pesach in Canada with our kids to have the sweet gefilte fish.
I love it. A riot.
thought you were going to say she was going to make it at home, but no, that's too much.
No way. No way.
Instead, you'll go back to Canada.
It's a lot of work to do gefilte fish. I remember my mother doing it. It's a lot of work to do it. And then it's not only this, but you take when you cut the fish into pieces, so you take the skin off, and then after you do all the, hacking and chopping and whatever, and you put it back into the skin, so it will look again like a piece of fish. It takes a lot of work.
Yes, my mother did that. When I was growing up, we had no jars. Everything was made at home. You couldn't
And
buy
then there's
them,
the smell
so-
that remains in the house.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so one
You
of the brands of
remember it.
one of the
Yes,
brands of
Joseph.
frozen gefilte fish that you can buy tells you about cooking it and says you can add sugar if you wish.
So that's for Morty's wife, you know. Okay, so where are we? New York. Josefa, are you with us?
Okay. Nu, ja.
Okay.
Kann die Mama nicht verstehen, was da ist voran, sich zu wundern?
Zu wundern,
yeah. So can't the mother not understand that there isn't any, I don't know, to wonder about?
Yes, to wonder about, yeah.
Okay, all right. Die Händlerkes kaufen Scharmutzen mit zerriebene Arbes und schmieren es auf Brot. All right, so these some words here I don't know. What's
Scharmutzen are paper bags. It's exactly like the papier and ezekler. So
Okay.
scharmutzen is exactly the same.
So what's Handlerkes?
Yeah.
The Handlerkes, the Seuchertes, the women that are
The sales ladies.
Oh, okay. The sales ladies buy what paper bag? This is paper
bags. Scharmutzen is paper bags.
Okay, with the mashed chickpeas and spread on bread. Spread it on bread. Andere Weiber, other women, tragen arum, verkaufen hoberne Gräupen, verweist mit Milch. All right, so the other women carry around
over the Gräupner oats.
What is it?
Oats.
Oatmeal.
Oats, like oatmeal. Oats.
Oatmeal. Okay.
With milk, right?
With added milk, yeah.
Yeah, it's like oats with milk.
No.
Oatmeal, like, you know.
Yeah, it's the way I always like to eat it. Okay. All right. All right. Winterzeit in wintertime, by der Koschekes. I don't know that word.
Baskets.
Baskets.
Baskets? Okay.
Yeah.
Der Warmen, die Händlerkes, die verfreurene Glieder mit Teppele, hoberne Gräupen. That's too much vocabulary, I don't know here. All right, so the other saleswomen, what about baskets? I'm sorry, there's too many words in here.
Okay, so winter time, by the basket, the
warm themselves.
The Seuchertes, the women that are selling things, they are warming themselves. Glider are like
limbs.
Yeah, the limbs they're warming their frozen limbs with a pot of oats.
Oh, okay. All right, I'm catching. I'm filling in these words now. I'm recognizing them with help. Okay. All right. Okay. Es geht doch darum, a Wörtel. But
So there is a phrase. There is a phrase.
Gives out a little word. It's a saying.
Yes.
Einer weint.
Yes.
Weint, als die Perl seinen im Schitter und der zweiter als der Grits in im bitter.
Okay, I don't know what it really means, but Marif, can you see what the
Yeah,
translation
it
says?
says it's oh, I lost it. Some cry because they don't have pearls, and some cry because they don't have soup. So it's about rich and poor.
Okay. Does anyone
I think
understand?
it's something else. I think it's that the oats are too thin, like it's too liquidy, and someone else is saying that they're too bitter.
No, I think it's the pearls. I think the rich person, like their pearls broke and they scattered all over, and the other one is just wanting to have.
No, they're
Oh.
sitting there in the freezing cold needing something hot. So they're saying some people, all we want is just a little soup to warm us up.
Right.
We're not worried about the things that rich people worry about.
Exactly.
Okay, Barbara?
Yeah, I was just going to echo Marie right now. I think what she's saying is sort of a social comment. Some people cry because they have too few pearls, and then there are others. Another one has complains because the grits are too bitter, which shows, well, this is my lot and this is the other person's lot. So
First world problem and third world problems.
you got it. You got it. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Good.
Thank you for clarifying it. Okay. Janice, would you like another paragraph?
Sure. I did so well on this
It's
first one.
difficult. We know it's not an easy read. Yeah.
Die Mama geht raus in a halb Tunkelen Warstadt.
Warstadt is the workshop.
Is the what?
Workshop.
All right.
They are living in a smithy. She's living in a smithy.
That's right. That's what I remember now. I forgot from last week. So the mother goes out in, what's in halb? In half?
Nearly dark.
Half
Nearly
dark.
dark, yeah.
To the dark workshop. Okay. Nimmt daarop von Keulen, Kasten, takes out of these, sounds like the coal.
From atop the coal chip.
box. On ungestellte tots.
A well-laden tray.
Oh, okay. Well laden. Okay. Was ist dort die ganze Zeit gestanden? Säudestück über gedeckt. That is too long sentence. That is there constant sight. The whole time standing there secretly covered.
Yes.
Und kommt da rein zurück zu Scheinte?
Yes.
Scheinte.
It's Scheinte.
And comes back a what?
Beaming.
Brightness?
Beaming.
Beaming.
Okay.
Beaming.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, John. Thank you, Josefa. Henrietta, can you the next 4 lines, Henrietta?
Yeah. Nachfisch is good etwas zu verdrinken. Verdrinken. After the fish, it's good to have something to drink. Nimm sie a rope von. Oh, wait a minute. I lost it. My iPad fell down. Nimm sie a rope von Tas. A Fläschchen
Wein mit etliche silberne Becherlach.
Becherlich.
Silver seeds?
Goblets.
Goblets.
Oh,
Silver
goblets. Oh, okay.
So
she takes down a pair of. I
from the
lost my
tray.
plates again. I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. So she takes from the tray a flash
From
of
the
wine.
tray, several silver goblets.
Yeah, with a bottle of wine, with a flash of wine.
And pours wine.
Yeah.
Die hast abgenommen die Asirke.
Pesachdike.
Pesachdike. Bechere, und sie gemacht.
Chumetzik.
So she took them down and she made them kosher.
No.
The other way around.
The other way around. So the
It's
son
the
is
other way
asking
around.
her.
Okay.
The son is asking her. You took out the goblet, the Pesach goblet, and you make them chametz.
Make them to use for every day.
Yeah.
It says when we're eating chametz. What are they eating that's chametz?
No, it's because
it's not. It's just not Pesach.
Right.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
The dishes are chometz stick.
Right,
Everything
right.
from the kitchen is chometz stick.
Right, it's not Pesach. Okay.
Pesach, and also there was a challah. Remember that they ate a challah before? Yeah. Okay, Barbara, go on. Ich will dir sagen der Emes.
Ich will dir sagen der Emes. I'm going to tell you the truth. Mach sich de Mama tamavette. Says the mother, looking ignorant. Zu was dürfen wir a ganzen Tots, pesere dicke Becher? So why do we need a whole tray of pesedic goblets?
A whole dozen.
A
dozen.
A dozen. That's a tots. Not tots. Okay, a dozen. Thank you. As besach hakol. So how do you pronounce it? Besach hakol.
That's Hebrew.
Okay,
that's okay. You did it okay, Barbara.
Okay, I did. All told, seine Mire zal der zweite. So all told, they're just the two of us. A ganz Jahr darf man euch leben, wie Menschen. You know, you live a whole year like decent people. Mein Mann, Alva Sholem, erzählt sie dem Gast, explains, she explains to the guest, my husband, she explains to the guest, hat gehabt a große Meshpucha. He had a large family. Pflegt sich setzen zum Seder mit 6 Kindern. And he used to conduct the Seder with 6 children, mit 2 Orchim, with 2 guests, und mit a paar Eureme Krovis, and with a couple of poor relatives. Hat gehabt a große Balabatischkeit. He had a large or a sumptuous household. Ober Itzer, but now, do you want me to go on or should I stop?
Yes, please. Finish the page.
The Mama endigt nicht. She didn't finish. The mother didn't finish. Sie bleibt sitzen mit an herabgelost Kopf. She was sitting with her head having fallen down. Frome Liebscher schweigt gerührte. And Firma Liebsche, the young girl, was very emotionally moved or caught up. In ihre Augen, Finkeln, in her eyes sparkled the Shabbos Licht, the Shabbos candles, der Wein, the wine, und Tränen und tears. Sie nimmt Pamelech in der Hand, den Becher, und sucht mit tröstendickem Mitgefühl. And she took up the slowly in her hand the cup, the Kiddush cup or beaker, und sucht mit, and said with consoling feeling, ihr sollt haben Nachas von euer Sohn. You should have Nachas from your son. Eure Eltern sollen haben Nachas von euch, and your parents should have Nachas from you. And fährt the Mama.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I see
That's
that
very nice.
Ronald raised his hand. Ronald?
Yes, I had a question about, well, two questions. First, it's not during Passover, right? We're not, this is,
No.
Is mentioned about how they were treif and or Passover dishes and so on, but it's not in, we're not in Passover. We're so used to eating gefilte fish at Passover. That's why I had the impression that it may be taking place at Pesach.
No.
No.
And then also I've heard a couple of words that we read, demamagite, and what does that mean again?
Demama what?
Demamagite. It's demamagite.
Leather toes.
The mama ended. Ending?
Still doing that.
Oh, ended.
Ended.
Okay, she wants to
Where is it exactly?
A reason why, okay, let me see if I can find it again.
Endiknit. Okay, she doesn't finish. The mama endiknit.
Oh, she's not
She doesn't finish. She doesn't finish the sentence.
Okay.
Okay,
But
Ronald.
she's sad remembering about her husband who died and the big family she used to have.
Yeah, so
And now she's living all alone.
I have a song in my repertoire, the title is Demamagite. And I
okay,
guess
no, that's not this.
Not the
But
same thing.
I think he makes a good point about her serving gefilte fish, even though it's not Pesach. But it was.
But no, they served it, Beverly. It was. It didn't matter.
Right. It didn't matter.
It didn't matter Pesach or not
Right.
Pesach.
Now, the song
was
that I'm
served
referring
every
to
Friday night.
has another name.
Exactly.
It's specific for gefilte fish was specific for Friday night because you would make it ahead of time because you couldn't take the bones out of the fish on Shabbos. So you would make the gefilte fish to start the Sabbath meal when you would be hungry, and then you could go to the main course.
Okay.
Because it was
so-
already made and filtered.
And the song I'm referring to with the title Demamagite has several names. So another name is Mi Mame es gegangen in Mark Arain.
Okay, we listened to it. Maurice sent it to us.
Well, I thought, what does that mean in English? The title.
The title means that when the mother went to the market.
Okay.
But we already listened to it because Maurice sent us this song before.
Okay.
Okay,
good.
Luisa, go on. Gewollt od sie sagen, Luisa.
Thank you.
Gewollt od sie
sie sagen. She wanted to say, ihr soll sein a gewünschter Zivug. May you be a blessed couple. Nor wie bald as men erzählt ihr noch nicht, as men is Husenkale, but as soon as one tells.
As long as.
Thank you.
Since.
As long as Let's see. As long as men der zählt, ihr noch nicht, but as long as you, how do I translate that?
As long as they don't tell her.
Don't tell her, okay. As many as Hassan Kale, that they are a couple, will sie sich nicht stupen mit ihr Bracha. She doesn't want to say, doesn't want to say it until they officially tell her that they are a couple, right?
Exactly, exactly.
So what is stupen?
She doesn't want like to interfere or to
push
press
herself in.
on them.
Thank you.
Push herself on them. Yeah.
With her blessing.
Yes.
Mistome, perhaps, reden sie allein, auf nicht zwischen sich wegen dem. Perhaps they're not even talking about this among themselves. Sie seien doch beide Heintweltige, since both of them are so modern.
Yes.
Yes.
Contemporary.
Yes, contemporary, yeah.
So she's assuming that because they're so contemporary, maybe they haven't discussed this yet among themselves, and she doesn't want to spoil the whole thing with a blessing that is too early, right?
Yes, yes.
Oib hoben ateine, perhaps having oib whether
Whether
if having complaint.
Yes.
Können Sie es haben zu ihr Sohn? Perhaps she can, I don't know how to translate this, es haben to it.
Okay.
She doesn't want to.
If she has a complaint, then
she doesn't want to tell it to her son.
No, then the complaint is to her son, aber nicht zu sein Kale, but not to his
future
bride.
bride. The Mädel is a gebildete. Yeah, the girl is a gebild. I don't know how to translate that.
Educated.
Okay, good. Educated, a stolze, una strenge, stolze. Proud. And the strenge, is she strong?
Assertive, maybe. No.
Okay.
Maybe strict.
Usually it's strict. But...
Okay, strict. Sie hat nicht gelost sich reden kein Shidduchim afilu von ihr Taten dem Rab, because she never let herself be talked into any arrangements, even from her father, the rabbi.
Yes.
Unir wird nicht trinken, and you're not going to drink? Fragt Frumelipche, asks Frumelipche. Ich will euch nehmen a kopitschke. I will also take a sip.
A little bit.
A little bit. And for the mame, answers the mother. Lechaim, sagt zu mir Frumelipche, mit a perldick Gelächter. So Lechaim says to me, Frumelipche with a pearl-like laughter.
Yes, because her teeth are probably white, so you know.
Right. Und trinkt up a bisschen von Becher, and drinks a little bit from the goblet. Euch die Mame nimmt a kopitschke, and also the mother takes a little sip.
A little bit. Any questions? Thank you, Luisa. Any question about what we are reading until now? About the storyline?
So, I have one.
What? Yes.
So the mother is assuming that they're going to be a couple, but she doesn't.
Yes, because that's the first girl that he brings on.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
And she
so she's
sees it.
assuming that if he brings her home, it is serious.
Yeah, and she sees
So,
how sensitive the girl is to
yeah.
to
Yeah.
to their world, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, Marty, go on. Ich lasse sich wohl liegen.
Los sich wohlgehen,
Wohlgehen.
sub ois a fillen kois in gis gleich und a zweiten. I let myself go and drink a complete goblet and pour myself a second one. Der Zink wird bei mir aufgebunden. My tongue gets aufgebunden.
Untied.
Untied, yeah. Untied means that he's talkative. Und ich zerrät sich. And I start talking. Als die Mama halt Eufen verpackt in die Kasten a ganzen Oizer mit Pesach dicke Kelem. I start talking while the mother
No,
has
he's telling how. He's telling
yeah,
about the mother.
he's telling about the mother packing a complete box of whole treasures, a whole treasure of Kalem is utensils for Pesach.
Yes.
Finna Becherl from a little cup, klein via fingerhood, like a
Thimble.
Thimble.
yeah, like a thimble, These are großen Kois for Elio and Ovid. Up to a large glass for Eliyahu the prophet. And oisgezierte kere farmaces oisgezierte kere farmaces.
Oisgezierte is מקושט.
Adorned.
Adorned.
Yeah,
Ornate.
an ornate thing for matzahs.
Dish.
Weichige Karapinkjes mit schmolle, gedrehte Hälser für Wein. and cups und weichige Karafinke.
Karafinkes are
it's talking about a carafe with a turned
Wide
neck.
belly.
Yeah.
Wide belly.
Hälser? Yeah, white belly. Okay. I would have translated differently, but
No,
okay, white belly.
No, it's
for
necks.
wine.
It's necks,
That's
not
what I
bellies.
thought. With a turned neck for
Necks.
wine.
Says a wide-bellied carafes with thin braided necks.
Okay, but Hälser are necks. So yeah.
Hälser are necks. Yeah. Yeah. Spodikis mit rot-blaue gestreifte Kanten in geschliffene Teegläser.
Spodikis are saucers.
Spodikis like yeah, with red-blue lines on the sides and geschliffene. I don't remember what geschliffene means.
Polished.
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 Polish.
Yeah. Glasses for tea. Those blitzen wie Kristall, that shine like crystal. Berg mit flache und tiefe Teller. Mountains of flat and deep plates. For Salzwasser mit Eier. For salt water with eggs. For Rosel und Joich. For stew and for Joich is
broth. Broth.
Yeah, for broth. Yes, thank you.
Russell is borscht.
Russell is borscht?
I think it's
yeah,
stew.
beet borscht.
No, I think it's stew.
Yeah. it's
It's
stew.
translated as borscht, sorry.
No, right,
No,
right.
no. I think there's a mistake there. Yeah,
No, green
Russell is
borscht is Russell.
Russell is beet borscht.
Yeah,
Russell.
borscht with eggs.
Okay, go on, Morty.
Yeah.
It's a very difficult
Schislen,
paragraph with all this. Yeah.
yes. Schislen met knedelig. Pots with knedelig.
Halumesics. Platters.
Blätter for fish, Tassen for compote, and cups for compote, for fruit compote. Gopelmesser, knives and forks, mit schwere Messige.
Mit schwere Händler.
Schwere Händler with heavy handles, Kochlöffel und Schäumlöffel.
All kinds of levels.
All kinds of levels. Yeah. Schön upgerät von Tep, or not even counting the cups, Beckens und Weitschaften, and utensils for cooking and baking. Kupferne Steusel, a pan, a copper pan.
Pestle.
Okay, Fessel. Zip und Hilzerne Stupe. That I have no idea what that means.
A
Sieve, I
sieve
think, is a sieve. A sieve.
and a wooden mortar.
And a wooden mortar.
I mean, we
okay.
use these words so much these days. Like, why would we ever know any of these?
And my experience with cooking utensils is
Yeah,
very
it's like low, right?
yes. Jingelweis pflegt mir a ganz Jahr kommen zu holen, dem gut Knacker in die Zucker umgewöhnlich. When we were little kids, we used to pflegt mir a ganz Jahr. We dreamed the whole year about nutcrackers and the sugar
Tongs.
The sugar tongs.
The sugar tongs. Don't know, never heard of that. Nor die Mame hat mir gehit wie a Ganef. But my mother used to take care of me like a thief. Ich soll nicht herabnehmen von Oven a Chefetz. So that I would not take out from the oven a Chefetz.
Anything. It's a Chefetz.
Anything. Okay. This forum on the Pesach de Gefes, the books and the utensils for Passover, sind die einzige Sachen, wo sind geblieben von dein Tatens amulige Gedäule, were the only things that remained from your father's once upon a time fortune. Fragt sie mir so. She used to tell me, und heint and today, fear ich euch. And nowadays I go on, hat die Mame allein herabgenommen die silberne Becherlich lichwod dem Gast. And today, now, the mother herself took down the silver goblets in honor of the guest.
Yeah, thank you, Morty. I think we
Bravo, Morty.
Bravo, yeah, bravo. It was really
Not so
wow.
much, not so much.
No, it's a
That was
tough
really-
one.
That was really something. Yeah. Okay.
It's his
Thank you,
memories.
Morty.
It's his memories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Yes.
people raise their hands. So Barbara and then Louisa.
Well, I think, okay, very quickly, because I think Louisa was before me, but I just want to point out to Morty that the sugar tongs, because people had cubes of sugar.
Cubes,
So
right.
they extracted
Oh,
the
yeah.
sugar with the
I know
tongs.
what it is. Yes, I had a Russian cousin who used to drink his tea, putting a piece of
Yeah.
sugar in his mouth.
My
Right.
booba
Yes.
too.
That
My
was, but
booba
see,
too.
this is a very refined household, so they had tongs, not the fingers. So that
Yeah.
was what I wanted to
And
say.
you know,
Dish me the
it's just
finger.
it's just that you look at it, and she's living now in a smithy.
Yeah.
All this richness, and she's living in a smithy. So, Louisa.
What's
Yeah.
a smithy?
Question. What is I missed one word. Kuperne or Kuperne Stoisel. What is Stoisel?
I think it's a mortar. No, it's a pestle. A pestle.
A what?
Pestle that
pestle.
you when you grind something with a mortar and pestle.
So basically, she took out everything that she.
No, she didn't. She didn't take. He
No.
drank a bit of wine,
Yeah.
and then started, to talk about what is on the oven. She took only a tray and some silver goblets.
I see, but when he starts describing all these other things that she used to have.
No, she still has them. She keeps them on
still
top
has
of the
them.
oven. She never
She
uses
still
them because
has
they're
them.
for Pesach.
Right.
Yeah.
But
I
today
thought-
she took out these two little goblets because of the guest.
Right. So basically, all these Pesachdik elements are the only thing that that remain from the glory of the husband's.
Yes. Exactly.
Whatever. But I was going to ask before we read about the husband's fortune. I was going to ask: was it because the most important thing was the Pesachdik Keilim, so to speak, the Pesachdik utensils? Was it because that was the most important thing for them in general?
Because the Seder was the most important, holiday for
the majority of the people.
Having,
Well, for
having
the
people
wives at
around.
least.
So for example, would this have been, say, I'm asking because I never thought about that. Would this have been part of the dowry or something that the woman got when she got married to establish a new household?
I think so.
It doesn't say so.
No.
It
I'm
just says
asking in
that.
general, and I'm asking in general.
In general,
No.
they used to be wealthy or at least comfortable. And this is the one thing she probably hasn't sold off yet.
I see.
Could be.
It could have been the dowry of the first wife. Remember, she's the second wife.
She's the second wife. Yeah.
Yes.
So the 6 children are not hers. She has only this son. The 6 children are from another wife.
Wow, we missed that.
Yes, we
Now
missed
you
that.
get
Buried somewhere back at the beginning.
Yeah,
Wait a
we
minute.
missed that. Thank you.
Ronald, yes.
Oh, I wanted to ask about the Shmiti. You said that they used to live in a more comfortable home or something, and now they're living.
Okay, so again, first wife, second wife. So that's the difference.
I think they're living in a smithy because the husband died and they barely make a living now.
Exactly.
That implied a poor home, or like in a shtetl can be poor homes, or like
No, it's a smith. It's a smith shop. They live in a hut in the back of it.
I see.
Yeah, and she's selling fruits. We don't know exactly what happened. Why she's living there. We don't know, unless probably we read all the stories. Maybe then we know more.
Doesn't come up.
From this story, we don't know exactly what happened and why she's not comfortable anymore.
Yeah.
Barbara?
Okay, so here, obviously, it's from another story that I had this information. but she was not supported by the children of the first children. There is certainly a son who does help her if she pleads for help, but she really is on her own. The children don't support her.
Until she marries again. Not in this story, in another story, she marries again. So she won't be alone. But it's a really strange marriage. I read the story about her getting married. It's really weird, extremely weird. Maybe we will do it some other time. So there is the whole saga developing here with the mother, you know, what she's doing now. But she's she didn't want to get married until her son got married. And when he finally got married with this girl, she got married as well. So yeah.
And remember earlier in the story, she says how I take care of myself. I don't owe anybody anything. With her little whatever it is that she sells some little thing.
So we will continue reading it next week. So if someone can, it's very difficult for me to send this thing, to send maybe Morty, you can, the map of the gefilte fish, the sugar and
I will look for it and I will send it to you and to Barbara.
Okay, really good. Thank you. Yes, Marsha, and we are finishing. Marsha?
When I send out the meeting, I'm going to attach Isidore Lillian wrote a wonderful song, Gefilte Fish. David Escher singer, and I combined David Escher with the words, so I'm going to attach it with the email that I send out.
Okay, very good.
Want to see
very good. It's a lovely song.
I have the map. Do you want to see it?
Yes, please. Yeah, if you can share it. Yeah. If you can share it, yeah.
Yeah, sure. That's the map. Of David Katz.
Okay.
Sugar
on the left.
And on the right you have salt, and on the left you have sugar. And you see, my mother is from Lodz. She used sugar, so.
Really?
Yeah.
I
don't know about Budapest. We don't know.
I remember.
Budapest.
What's this the one with from the bottles? When we get the stuff at the bottles at the supermarket, is it?
Yeah,
sugar?
it's Ukraine. I mean, it's the salt one, not the sugar one. I think.
Yeah.
But I think even David Katz, I think I remember in a video when he was out scouting this, he went to all these little towns to find the last Yiddish speakers that were left, and they didn't know about the way they did it was the way they did it. They didn't really know about what was on the other side of the line very well.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah,
well,
but that's
in those times people didn't travel.
Right.
They stayed mostly in their own place. So the traditions were the traditions, and that was what counted. That's why my family, which comes from Galicia, from Ukraine, we always had, when I was little, the savory gefilte fish. We didn't even know that there was a sweet.
Same in my family, because I'm from that area too.
Till now. I didn't know this until this moment.
Does anyone on here? Does anyone on here eat the one with the sugar?
Yes. I tried it. I didn't know. I would be tasting
Yes, I did. I don't like gefilte fish, but that's what I used to do. I hate gefilte fish.
I would.
Yeah, all my relatives, all my relatives, my machatonim and everybody in Canada, it's the sweet gefilte fish.
Really?
And that's what my wife likes.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, it's probably only when they left those areas and came to Canada or United States that they found out that they had different. Each one had different kinds of gefilte fish.
Could be.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's until David Katz went over with his research that they figured out where the line was.
Anyway, Louisa, and that's it. Louisa?
Yeah, I have a comment. Look at the line that goes through Lviv, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
My mother was from Lviv. So it cuts
Lemberg.
through, right? Doesn't it? But
That was Lemberg.
right,
Lemberg.
Yeah,
Oh, my
Lemberg.
mother was from Lemberg.
right. My mother was from there,
Ah,
but
yeah.
my mother never cooked, never made
Gefilte
gefilte fish. No, we always used to go to my aunt's, Aida's mother's, Aida's home, my cousin who used to come to the Yiddish class.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
she
Mm-hmm.
was from, I think she was from Russia originally, the mother. So she probably
Mm-hmm.
was on the salt side because I never ate the salt.
Right, the salty side.
Yeah, my
Marsha,
mother
yes,
was salt
Marsha?
and my father was sugar.
Uh-oh.
Mixed
Oh,
marriage.
that's a good
Marriage.
combination. Yes, Marsha.
I just want to tell you, don't eat the jar anymore. Eat the frozen. It's just like your mama made it. So
Yeah,
trust
yeah.
frozen. It's wonderful.
Oh, good to know. Good to know.
Susan
Bob?
has a recipe that I don't know if she's on that she uses with the frozen. She remakes it. I have a lot of friends that remake the whole
He
thing.
makes it a la Mexico.
To me,
La
that
Mexico, yes.
I think some
Bob?
university could turn the sugar salt question into a PhD project.
I'm sure
It's a
they
dissertation. I
They,
can see-
yeah.
Absolutely.
Right,
I'm sure.
right, Minna? Perfect
Yeah,
dissertation
I
title.
think it's
Well, it's look at how
it
important
would
it is.
be very interesting. Yeah, but Marsha will send us the song, and the song is really nice too.
But look at the
Anyway,
look at the cities that are now in the news.
Oh,
Look,
yeah.
they're
Yeah.
all in the news now with the,
Absolutely.
with the
they
war.
are.
Sadly.
Yeah,
it's
sadly they are
Ukraine.
in the news.
Right.
But there's no Jews left because the Israelis went over and got all the Jews out.
I don't know about that, but anyway.
Yeah, I read a story. They meet them at the border and they're so,
Well,
the
Okay.
Ukrainian Jews are so grateful that they have
No.
somebody waiting for them.
So
Oh.
there are no more Jews in
Um,
Ukraine, are you saying?
I'm
Yes,
making a
there-
half joke because they did go and get
Yeah.
a bunch of them out. Maybe there's some.
No,
that
they're
are
still there. Lubavitch does a lot with the children, educating the
Yes.
children in Ukraine.
Okay.
And Zelensky's not going anyplace.
Yeah, and Zelensky is not going anywhere. Exactly.
Oh, that's true. He's Jewish. Anyways, very
Okay, guys.
Hi.
We'll see you next week. Sei mal gesehen.
Okay.
Where
And
are you?
maybe
Thank you.
next week
Pittsburgh.
I am in a village near Cambridge. The
Oh, nice.
village is called Easton, not Houston. And my son lives in the village.
Oh, nice.
It's
Enjoy.
it's 10 minutes away from Cambridge.
Very
And
nice.
there's
The best
baseball,
reason to stay.
it's fun. Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay.
Enjoy.
So, but
Enjoy.
I
Bye-bye.
stay here
See you
in the
next
pub
week.
and we will meet